Getting your ex back using these 5 tips. Be supportive. Be supportive of your ex's goals and ambitions, even if they don't involve you. Showing that you're supportive and caring can go a long way in rebuilding trust and connection. Apologize sincerely. If you made mistakes that contributed to the breakup, take responsibility and apologize sincerely. Make it clear that you're committed to making things right and that you're willing to put in the effort to rebuild the relationship. Offer solutions. If there were issues in the relationship that led to the breakup, offer solutions or suggestions for how to address those issues moving forward. This shows that you're committed to making positive changes and that you're invested in the relationship. Be patient. Getting an ex back can take time and patience. Be willing to take things slow and let the relationship develop naturally. Consider seeking professional help. If you're really struggling to get your ex back, or if there were serious issues in the relationship that need to be addressed, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. A trained professional can provide guidance and support as you work through the challenges of rebuilding the relationship. Are you serious about getting your ex back? Take the quiz in the description below and get some serious strategy information. Good luck and congratulations in advance for getting your ex back.